I don't know, to be honest. I could try and just do it anyway. Where's that gluten at? Were you just cooking random? Oh no, I saw you were sewing Waybread's
How could I be so blind as to mistake garlic skin for a tip of
just
plate? Cafe Sig.
yeah,
There
it's
we
just garlic
go.
skin, dude.
What yo hot mess ass doing tonight?
Yo, Carly. I'm gluing a plate back together, Carly, with some gluten. Yo, that shit actually working. Let's get a bunch of it on there.
Blue 10. Genius. Yeah, I was sewing.
Dude, look at it, dude.
You mean to tell me your shitty ass ain't even got any glue?
No, my glue bottle is the bottle of glue is like glued shut, Carly. Okay, maybe this isn't maybe I need to use more. Let's really glob it on there.
Actually, I don't think I do either now that I think about it.
Like my bottle of glue is glued shut. You know what I mean? It's like having like scissors that are sealed up in a box, like a plastic container, but you have no scissors to open it.
Dude, you hounded your boy Beans to start his stream early, then leave him hanging.
Hounded him? What do you mean, dude? He was washing dishes. Okay, this is not really working very well.
Is that yeast glue?
It's gluten. Tom? Otherwise known as yeast glue, yeah.
Glue 10. LMAO, yeah, glue 10.
Dude, when did the ball get in here, dude?